This powder will reverse aging? What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You and me both want to get younger. You know the song Alphaville, Forever Young? Man, just hits a little harder the older you get. But this is actually Blueprint powder right there. And the name right below it, Bryan Johnson, is what makes this kind of interesting. Now, you may know or have heard of Bryan Johnson. I have seen his name and some of his interviews, and I really didn't know that much about him. I didn't really know he was selling products. He's really this guy who looks very young for his age, and he's kind of one of these guys that I feel like does these Hollywood type of things where he tries to stay young. I'm sure a lot of it is working out and eating healthy. But I think he also does blood transfusions, and he takes like 100 different supplements a day and all that stuff. But I don't know. I think he's like 50 years old and he looks like he's 30, so maybe it's working. But anyway, he sells a number of products. Some of them seem a little over the top, but this powder here seemed like maybe an easy way to get some of the benefits of the things that he has discovered here. It's longevity mix. And my understanding of this is that he found that some of the supplements he was taking actually tasted pretty good. So you don't need to take them in capsule form and kind of bypass the taste buds. You can let those taste buds savor and enjoy the taste of some of these things. So it says contains over 20 capsules in a delicious sugar-free drink right here. And on the back here, it says creatine 2.5 grams, promotes muscle, athletic performance, cognition, and recovery. Calcium alpha ketoglutarate 2 grams, which supports the frailty index. Glucosamine sulfate 1.5 grams, promotes respiratory health and immunity. And ashwagandha 600 milligrams may assist with mood, sleep, muscle, and recovery. And a lot of these things say may because I don't think they are FDA evaluated. But because it's supposed to be good, tasty, and good for you, what you can do is you can get a package like this, which has the powder in it, and then we can add that to water. Now, it actually says you can mix 1 scoop with 6 to 24 ounces. So I guess it's going to vary in strength here, but that's a big range. So I actually filled up my shaker bottle here with 12 ounces, and I'm going to take 1 scoop of this. I thought, you know, why not do more than 6, but maybe not the full 24. I like a little punch. Now, I will show you. It's not what I thought. Because the outside is pink, I thought this would be pink, but it's like a white. It looks like flour to me. So I'm going to take a heaping scoop here, just like this, and I'm going to dump it in here. Splash it a little bit, but it's starting to turn pink right there. And as you can see, we have some globules down there. Tighten this down and start shaking this guy up here. And it seems like everything is broken up. So just after a few seconds, this thing looks like it is ready to drink. It actually looks like there's quite a bit of particulate in there. It looks like a very runny, like smoothie to me. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it tastes like. Okay, smells like a tart berry to me. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It smells kind of like a natural cranberry. Okay, so let's give it a try. Yeah, it's pretty good. With the 12 ounces of water, it's not very strong. It's kind of refreshing that way. It's actually very watery. It actually tastes a little bit like a third pink lemonade, a third strawberry, and a third cherry. So it does actually taste really good, you know? And because it has all that good stuff in it for you, well, the good thing is you might just start to reverse aging. In fact, I might just start getting younger here. How are you doing? And shrinking. And then we know it's delivering on its promise. But you know what? If you're looking for a good, refreshing drink that you actually might want to drink, that you might want to pour a glass of for yourself every once in a while and get the benefits of all the good stuff for you, well, you might want to check out this Blueprint mix. I'm so used to stuff like this tasting so bad that I never use the rest of the powder, but I'm actually going to drink this. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.